Hi, my name is Jimmy Flores. I'm here today with my teacher, Ms. Harris. I'm a senior taking career and tech ed classes at Harvard High School. This year, I've been taking a class called On the Job. For the past 2 years, I've been working part time at a forging company called Scott Forge, while also going to high school. I work between 20 to 30 hours a week as a student learner.
So, Jamie, why did you end up taking on the job this year?
I took on the job because it let me leave school early and go to work during my senior year. I started the student learner program at Scott Forge the summer between my sophomore and junior year. Taking on the job meant I could continue to work during the summer and the school year. So that was a bonus.
Great. Was leaving early the only reason you took on the job this year?
No. Well, I also took it because it allowed me to take my consumer economics credit, which was also a graduation requirement. So it was just helping me save time.
Sounds like a plan. Why are you grateful for this experience of working and going to school?
The main reason I'm grateful for the experience is because I was able to start working early on while in high school and learn the importance of responsibility. It helped me figure out if manufacturing was the right career path for me or not. I didn't know that I wanted to go into manufacturing, but I took a metals class and I was recommended for the student learner program. Turns out it's something I want to do.
How has the on the job program helped you succeed as a student?
Working helped me with my time management skills, taught me how to budget my money, and gave me the opportunity to pay for my own expenses like my car, my phone bill, clothing, take stress off my parents' backs.
Jamie, what are your plans for the future? Graduation's coming up soon, May 23rd.
I want to start working full time at Scott Forge after I graduate, but I have to wait until I get my diploma and finalize any opportunities that will be offered to me, hopefully.
How has on the job contributed to your future career plans?
Uh, this program wasn't around, I would not be involved in manufacturing right now. It's really hard to get early on exposure to the manufacturing field without a program like this. I'd probably be doing some kind of seasonal labor or work in retail, and I can't see myself doing either of those long term. This work keeps me moving, and the products at Scott Forge, things they make are astonishing.
What advice would you give to students considering entering a program like this, the on the job program?
Let's see. For any students considering this program, I would say it's not easy to commit to, but always ask lots of questions, especially when you don't know what you're doing or when you don't know about something. Take any opportunities when they're offered.